Are you looking for natural ways to keep your heart healthy? Look no further. In this video, we will reveal some powerful herbs that can benefit your heart. So let's get started. First, we have garlic. This pungent herb is not only great for adding flavor to your dishes, but also for your heart health. Garlic has been shown to help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporate crushed or minced garlic into your daily meals to reap its amazing benefits. Next up is hawthorn. This herb has been used for centuries to support cardiovascular health. Hawthorn helps improve blood flow, strengthen the heart muscle, and lower cholesterol levels. Consider brewing hawthorn tea or taking it in supplement form to promote a healthy heart. Another herb worth mentioning is turmeric. Known for its vibrant yellow color, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin helps reduce plaque buildup in the arteries, allowing better blood flow to the heart. Sprinkle turmeric in your cooking or enjoy it as a comforting golden milk to boost your heart health. Lastly, let's not forget about the mighty ginger. This spicy herb not only adds a zing to your recipes, but also protects your heart. Ginger helps lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and prevent blood clotting. Incorporate fresh ginger in your diet by adding it to smoothies, stir-fries, or even brewing a soothing ginger tea. Remember, these herbs are powerful and can positively impact your heart health. However, it's always essential to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thanks for watching our video on herbs to keep your heart healthy. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and natural remedies. Take care of your heart, and until next time.